Government understands the negative impact of inefficient business processes and regulatory barriers on business investment and activity.
Lana Mabuza bekachaza ngeluhlelo lwahulumende lokufukula umnotfo wabosomabhizinisi labancane nabosomabhizinisi basemalokishini. Lenyeke indlela yokufukula umnotfo, Mabuza uthi ngulena lechazwe ngumengameli ekuqaleni kweliviki.
To overcome these challenges, the President has prioritized the coordination of government measures on the ease of doing business in the country.
Lusaba lokufukula simo lesibi lesabangelwa tikhukhula KwaZulu-Natal alukasali.
Kanti 17 billion amarandi kwabo-1 uma ngabe ukuthi akusikhona ukuthi wakhe imizi yabantu leyabhidlika nokuthi ulungise imigwaqo le eyonakala.
I'm aware that some families are in tents. We are transporting water just to give them immediate humanitarian relief. Now, the second phase is to stabilize the recovery process, which includes building of these houses. The third phase will be the medium and long-term one, which is the reconstruction and rehabilitation.
Mayelana nekuvuselelwa kwetincwadzi tekushayela nengohlakalo lekulelo hlangothi Lisekela lamengameli libekela thi.
We are committed to only not root out corruption, but to strengthen the environment in which public representatives and officials alike perform their duties and responsibilities to the highest standards of ethics and integrity.
Kulolunye luhlangothi Mabuza utsite bonke baphathiswa bakwaZulu-Natal uma betfula liphakelo timali lematiko abo ngekwehlukana bafake nemali yenhlekelele yakamuva lebangwe tikhukhula. Mabuza uthi lokho kutawusita sive njengobe nahulumende wavelonke afaka sandla ekubuyiseleni simo lesetayelekile kulesa sifundza.